Okay, welcome back for round two. Moving on down the line here. A great example of this web-based learning would be what we're going to try and implement at Del Mar this summer. We just had a meeting with them through Pearson, and they're going to work with us to build online formatting for our culinary and baking classes, which mostly classes like the math lab and there's been English labs and stuff like that. They use this format, but we haven't really got to use it before in the culinary um, classroom. So we are really excited about this. The students can buy a code for the e-textbooks, so we're saving trees, and has all these online resources for their recipe bank, and it helps us as far as grading and doing our requisitions and stuff for ordering the food that we need and all that fun stuff. So anyways, we were super stoked about that. Here's the Pearson site. And they can make up curriculum and packages for you for just about any subject. History, religion, psych, ethics. I mean, all kinds of stuff on here. You have to have a membership and login and everything, which we don't have that yet, so I can't really go into much more detail. But here you can search for your books and everything. Like I said, the lady was really helpful in helping us make up our own packages to better suit our needs. So if they can do it for math, they can do it for baking, they can pretty much do it for anything. So we were really stoked about this. Um, Another one was the webs.com, and I'll get to those here in a minute. That's what I used to make my little Kids Cooking Connection website for HEB, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. Some how-tos. Here's a couple different sites that I found. 12 questions you want to answer before starting your web-based curriculum, and it just goes through different things. You have the administrative support you need. It just kind of breaks it down, gives you things that you might not think about when setting up your web base. How will you be delivering it to the classroom? How will the students' progress be assessed? And things like that. Delivery platforms, etc., etc. So there's a lot of good information in there. So that was the 12 steps, and here's another one with 10 steps. Um, and again, just some steps to follow to build your curriculum. Just shows you how to kind of break it down. When you're sure that all your steps are done, it talks about using. Here's a little flow chart that kind of makes it a little easier. Your curriculum homepage, and then your concepts, your resource pages, problematic, your grading, all that good stuff. So mind mapping, using the tools again, it makes it easier. Gives you templates for your syllabus and all that fun stuff. So if you guys are interested in building a little curriculum, maybe try to build a little web page. I'm going to refer back to this when we're actually building the classes for our cooking classes that we're going to be doing here at HEB. Sample tools. This webs.com is actually what I used, and it's a pretty neat little site. You can go through the features, of course. Gives you little tours here. You could actually pick your own domain name, so that's kind of neat. It gives you possibility to link to all your social media, and of course do all your videos and your blog. You can set up the blog with all the settings and everything that you want. So it's just a really cool, very user-friendly site to make. After I had already completed mine, I found this other site. It's called Wix.com, Wix.com, and this was just one of the templates that I found for a little cooking school. So you can see the setup's a little more modern, and you can go through and add in your um, your subject matter into the template. And again, this one's free, so that's always nice. Um, while I'm talking about tools, I'm going to go ahead and cover the other tools that I used in my site, and then I'll go back in a third screencast and show you the two sites that I built. So here's the first one, Photo Peach for Educators. I used this and I really enjoyed it. It was really fun. You can, I made my little 12 steps of baking, and it's neat because you can upload all your photos and put it to music. You can use music from YouTube, so you can get basically any music that you want, but in order to share it, you have to have a membership or a paid membership um, with the YouTube music. But there's other music to choose from, which you'll see in mine. I changed to just one of their songs that they had on there. So Photo Peach, it's a newer way to make slideshows, just more, more creative. You can explore it here. Okay, if it'll load for me. There we go. It gives you just some different ideas, quizzes, and some links to ones that people have made, so you can check that out. It's pretty fun. I really enjoyed this app, and I think you will too. If y'all want to make a little photo peach. And of course, most of us are familiar with VoiceThread. This one's super easy to use. Just hit the Create tab, and again, you're going to upload your click on one here. You're going to upload your pictures and or documents, videos. You can actually record your video from your webcam. You can add voice to it and then share it. So this is pretty neat. I had added in one from my previous project. I added it into the website, and that way the kids can view it and get some ideas. So four great tools. We have the webs.com, wix.com, photopeach.com, and voicethread.com. So now I'm going to end this, and then we'll get started with the actual websites that I made. Thank you.